Funny story here. LaBelle just butted in with a phone call and then it stopped my recording. I didn't know it stopped my recording, so I just kept going, right? I kept going until it popped up and said, "Hey, your recording has been processed." I mean, this is after I'd finished the problem, which is slightly embarrassing. So let me just go ahead and finish for us here. We've got one more of these things to do. We got g of 6 is equal to 3 plus definite integral from 0 to 6 f of t dt. Okay, and then what I can do is just bring this previous total down because that went from 0 to 5. We just need to go one more unit. So 6 minus pi. We just had to add or subtract one little extra bit in, and it is this negative 1/2 from 5 to 6 there. So since I'm subtracting a half, of course this isn't going to be as big as the previous one. 6 is 12 halves. That makes 11 halves minus pi. Oh, look, it's already written there because, like I said, I'd already finished it. All right, so we have an obvious winner. Obvious winner here is at the endpoint. The endpoint of negative 6. And the largest value, the maximum value, is 4 plus pi. So maybe I just write something up in some empty space here. The absolute maximum value of 4 plus pi occurs at x is equal to negative 6, right? And as far as my justification goes, it's all the work that I did. It's this closed interval test where we found the critical numbers. We did eliminate some of them, the minimum values there, and then we made our table of values using our function to try to figure out which one was the largest one. All right, so now for the next question. Like I said here, let me scroll back up, make you totally dizzy. So now what you're going to do is work through question number 2, which is calculator active. You'll need your calculator to do some of these equations. Look at that. Natural log. This arctangent should be a lot of fun. All right. Again, you have two choices. Either check the answer key on the lesson notes or stay tuned for the next video. Who knows? Maybe it'll be broken up into parts because somebody else is going to call me. And I'll take you through it step by step one more time.